Welcome to G Hotel Shenzhen Convention and Exhibition Center Gangxia Metro Station, where an exceptional experience awaits. Discover effortless booking and further details via the QR code or the description below. This modern haven effortlessly blends contemporary design with unparalleled comfort, offering a sanctuary amidst the vibrant energy of Shenzhen. Imagine sinking into plush, exquisitely crafted beds, enveloped by the finest linens, after a day of exploration. Each room is a testament to refined aesthetics, featuring sleek furnishings and state-of-the-art technology. Indulge in complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, keeping you connected throughout your stay. Begin your day with a delightful breakfast for two, thoughtfully prepared and presented. For those seeking cultural enrichment, the hotel's library presents a curated collection of literary treasures. Whether you're seeking a quiet space to read or simply want to unwind with a good movie, the Movie Lounge provides a cinematic experience. G Hotel offers an experience meticulously designed for the discerning traveler. It's a place to unwind, to be inspired, and to create lasting memories. Allow us to elevate your journey. For ease of access and to book your stay, please scan the QR code now.